Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Lexus key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR1632 coin cell battery. This common battery type is readily available. The entire process is quick and straightforward, usually taking less than 5 minutes from start to finish. Let's get your key fob working like new again. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by sliding out the physical key from the top of the fob. Next, look for a small notch or slot along the edge of the key fob casing. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twist or prying motion, the two halves of the key fob should separate easily. Be careful not to force it. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe which way the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing. Gently pry out the old CR1632 battery. Now, take your new CR1632 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Slide the physical key back into its slot. Now, test your key fob's lock and unlock functions to ensure everything is working correctly. You've successfully changed your Lexus key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.